Alright, so this is a problem. It has to do with polarized light. And the intensity of which is a function of the angle at which it hits the polarizer. So, this is a pretty simple, straightforward problem, but I'm going to explain what's going on here. So it says the light produced by a laser pointer is linearly polarized. So that just means that it's moving in one plane like that. And then a variable intensity linear polarizer is attached to the front of the laser pointer over here. Or we'll say it's this guy. And then it asks us, by what angle should you rotate the polarizer from its full intensity position to reduce the laser pointer to 0.3 of its full intensity, or basically 30%. Sheesh. Should just be freaking 30% right there. Alright. So, remember that where the polarizer is parallel to the incoming light, that's going to be the full intensity. So we can think of the full intensity as being 1 in this case. And we're looking for 30% of that. So, the equation for this is that the final intensity is equal to the intensity, the initial intensity times the cosine squared of the angle. And we are looking for this angle. So we will say that our final intensity is 0.3, because like I said, we're assuming that the initial intensity is 1, and then we'll just have cosine squared theta here. So theta is this angle. It's the angle that you're going to rotate this polarizer so that you get 30% intensity light. 30% of this intensity, whatever intensity this thing is, we're calling it 1. So, if we just divide 0.3 by 1, okay, we know that's going to be 0.3, and we have cosine squared theta. So we get this, and actually I'm even going to skip a step. So we have the square root of 0.3 times cosine theta, and then we're just going to do arc cosine of the square root of 0.3 is equal to theta, and I'm going to pull out my calculator. Oh, shit. Calculator's all screwed up, so sorry. This might take a while. But not that long. And so the answer that I get is 56.8, rounding up, degrees. And so if you want the intensity of the light coming through this polarizer to be 30% of what it was initially, right there, you would turn the polarizer 56.8 degrees from its initial position. And that's the problem. So, let me know if you see anything that's wrong. That's it for now. See ya.